it's Des and
Kira.
It's my cousin, guys, and this is my first time doing any type of food challenge on my page. This is the hot and spicy noodle challenge, guys. I was not able to find the red noodles that everyone else has been using on their channel, but I did find the old school ramen noodles. This is what the pack looks like. And this is the hot and spicy. So we've already cooked them, and from what we've heard, it's not as spicy as we would think. So we will be adding some Louisiana sweet heat with honey hot sauce.
That Louisiana.
Right. And then she tried to use half of the package. So she's gonna put the rest of that in her noodles right now. Yeah, sprinkle that on. So let me, we had to actually put this back in the microwave, guys. We was having some technical difficulties. So we're going to do 10 drops of hot sauce a piece. So whoa, that was not, ain't no drops. Okay, so three little swoops. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's mix it all up. It looks like I got way more noodles than her, but it don't matter. I'm still gonna win out here.
Look here, ma'am. Look. I think I might need a little bit more hot sauce.
I know. Let me put 2 more after that. 1,
I might need
2.
a little bit more hot sauce.
Y'all, if y'all never try these, I don't even do ramen noodles at all because they just gross, y'all. But I wanted to do something different, so we decided to do this challenge. So yeah.
Oh yeah.
And you guys will probably be seeing a lot of her on my channel. She's new to the A.
Can't get rid of me.
So yeah, this is my first cousin, y'all. So y'all, we gonna be doing lots of more videos together because we both crazy.
You will be seeing me, and if you don't like seeing me, too bad.
Right.
Just playing.
Okay, you ready? Scoot over a little bit. I don't think they can see you.
You want me to scoot over?
Okay. All right, ready for the first bite? All right, this is my first mukbang. Mukbang. All right, that's smacking. All right, ready? I cannot deal. This thing is crazy. Wait a minute, John.
Oh, yeah. Need a little bit more.
Hot sauce. First of all, y'all, this supposed to be hot and spicy. Right. And we done ran out there. Y'all, we are not gonna make it on this channel. We played too much. Oh my god. Can y'all not see the like related ridiculous? Okay, wait. You're gonna lose.
Wait.
Woo! Okay, these they ain't even hot though. It's just like a little spice, but spice enough. Then we're gonna water nothing.
Why are you trying to kill us? You got no water. Y'all had noodles in a minute.
Whew.
This is the struggle
There are kind of
challenge. Hold on.
the struggle challenge.
The struggle challenge. This is what this is. Ain't no hot and spicy noodle challenge. This is a struggle challenge.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it, y'all. Oh, so this is how much I got.
Yeah.
We ain't even show them what we eat, y'all. Y'all see though.
Y'all see that? You know, this is what you call $1,000 meal, okay? This is what you call this is Benihana's special. It's from Benihana's straight.
The Benihana special.
Right. Benihana's at home, y'all. So if you ever want to try it, just get you a pack of noodles and some hot sauce.
Right. This is the what you call it? The chicken fouillon. Stupid.
They got that picante chicken.
No. Picante chicken.
Dang, where the picante at? It ain't even hot. that. We didn't have to use all the hot sauce.
Exactly. I'm gonna have to call Maruchan. What's his name? Maruchan. Where you at, Maruchan?
Where the Sprite? Why we got to put hot sauce in our thing? Like,
Where is Maruchan at? Okay, this is who we need to be calling.
Where's the picante? Maruchan.
Ramen noodle. Let me tell y'all. First of all, let me see. Let's learn some facts about ramen noodles today, y'all. 190 calories. Is that bad or is that good? That's not bad.
That's bad.
That's bad. That's bad for this one pack, probably. Girl, they arguing kind of hot.
Hold on. Wait.
Once we start eating, that's that hot sauce.
Y'all, look.
Girl, wait a minute.
A little bit too hot.
I know they did not just say ramen noodles are versatile.
Meriton, if you are watching this video, look.
Meriton.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Meriton. That is Maruchan.
Ramen noodles can be used easily as a main course or enhanced.
Boy, bye.
Main course.
Main course.
All you wives out here cooking for your men, do not get no ideas that this is a main course.
This is a main course. Maruchan just said this is a main course. Okay.
Maruchan is single. That's why them noodles come in one bag.
Come in one bag.
That's why they come in one bag.
Oh my God, we ain't gonna make it.
Hey, they're kind of getting a little hot now.
Yeah. We already 8 minutes in, I think, or something like that.
Oh, we gotta edit out the beginning, girl. It needs some meat or something. Just eat straight noodle. You know?
I had a friend, y'all, who used to when we were in college, she would scramble up an egg and put it in there. I know somebody used to put onions in a chicken ramen noodles. And I know somebody used to cut up them little turkey kibashes and put it in there.
Did they grow up in a halfway house?
I don't know.
What you mean?
No.
Wait. No, you did say egg whites.
Yes.
And I know somebody who used to put Doritos.
Oh yeah,
shredded cheese, gravy. I'm like, damn.
Gravy. No, that's just nasty.
Gravy.
That's nasty.
Girl, crazy. Just crazy. This is a little, I think it's the hot sauce though, the sweet heat. Oh yeah,
this is what made it hot, y'all. These, I don't even know why they say, Maruchan, where you at?
Look,
because we need answers. We need answers.
Maruchan, I'm definitely defeated. Picante sauce is supposed to have a little picante, and it did not have nothing in it. It tasted just like chicken.
Man.
Where the pecan?
Where the pecan?
Where the pecan?
First of all, wait a minute.
Where the pecan?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait a minute. First of all, it said dehydrated. Okay, so the soup-based ingredients.
Bye.
First of all, soup-based where? Where, Maruchan? We need answers again.
The water and the seasoning.
Girl, bye. And then they got the nerve to say, you know what?
Wait.
It said onion, garlic, celery, stalk, and chive. Houseway.
Good night.
So they put all that in this little pack, right? Hold on, let me show y'all. They put all that in this little pack. Yeah, right. And packed on a whole bunch of sodium. 31%. That's a shame. 31% sodium, 11% total fat. We're gonna get fat.
Look.
Yours look a little hotter than mine.
Mine.
She about to beat me, y'all.
Mine, girl, cause you didn't fed the whole halfway house right there.
Man.
Then fed them all. Girl, this is hot though. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
that hot sauce kind of did it, but you know. It's good. I love hot sauce, y'all. If you don't like hot sauce, something is wrong with you, and we need to revoke your black card.
Something is wrong with you, because I like spicy stuff, so I knew these wasn't gonna be too hot.
Hot, but dang, could have had a little zing to it, you know, something.
But them red noodles, y'all, I probably wouldn't make it with them.
Oh yeah, my wig would have been off of that.
My whole puff would have flew off, okay? And it's bad, and it still would have flew off. Y'all.
I need some chicken, some.
I know that's probably gonna be next time you see her. We're gonna do a mukbang. I don't even know if we're saying that right. Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Y'all know what we talking about. We're gonna do that. But we're gonna do
whatever the word name.
We're gonna do the hot chicken one from Buffalo Wild Wings. Hot and spicy. It's supposed to be like the hottest wings ever, and a lot of people can't even get through them on their channel. We're gonna do like 6 apiece and see who wins. Since she likes spicy so much.
Yeah, you know, we finna see how this spicy stuff works. I never, you know, I haven't had the wings from there, but
yeah, the wings are really good. Up in I'm from Ohio, but up in Ohio they call it Buffalo Wild Wings. No, we call it they call it Buffalo Wild Wings. It is called Buffalo Wild Wings. We call it BW3. Some people say B-Dubs, BW3. People down here be like, what? But it's Buffalo Wild Wings.
I say B-Dubs, and a lot of people look at me like, what is that?
Yeah. They don't know. A lot of people don't. They don't have a lot of Buffalo Wild Wings down here though. But I know where one is, and we going to get these wings.
Doing in Cumberland?
Oh, That's one by me.
Oh.
It's one by Stonecrest Mall.
Oh, yep. Girl, I went there on a date, girl.
Oh, let me tell. Oh, let's hear about Kara's date. What happened on the date, girl?
Let me tell you about this. You know, can't say the word, but let me tell you. Y'all, we at Buffalo Wild Wings, you know, ordered my food. You know, at the time I was pescatarian, you know, trying something different. So I had got some,
You gotta tell what pescatarian is.
Oh, pescatarian is when you don't eat any meat. You eat like fish. You know, you just eat like seafood. But so I ordered some spinach dip. And you know, food get there. First of all, y'all, this is where he had me bent. He reached over and tried to grab a chip. I'm like, man, this is my meal. What are you? Oh, I thought it was an appetizer. Did I order any other food? Did I order any other food? What did you? So anyways, y'all, so, you know, eating whatever. He gonna say, what would you do if I left you here?
Oh, wow.
Y'all, I had to pray to Jesus for like all of 5 to 10 minutes because he had me on the top level of had me up.
Right.
So, yeah. So, y'all, yeah.
That's her story.
Yeah,
the B-Dub story.
Yeah. I haven't been there since.
Yeah, when I was dating, I didn't have too many crazy, like, going out food stories. I do remember this one time that I was on this date, and I was eating with this guy, and he brought up, like, kids or whatever. So he's like, hey, he's like, do you have any kids? I'm like, yeah, I have a daughter. He was like, oh, yeah, I don't like kids. So you probably ain't the one that I would even, like, want to be with. I was just like, wow.
I would have been like, okay.
It was so bold, though. I was just like,
Very
okay.
bold.
And then you ugly. You know how you just go out to eat? You know.
Yeah,
you know
gotta get that free meal.
the free meal. Let's get the free meal.
So
No,
if
just
you
like,
watching this and you got a man trying to take you out to eat, go. Unless
it's called the free meal.
Right. Now, unless he's trying to take you down the street to Piggly Wiggly or something,
Right,
I'm
no,
gonna
don't
need
do
you to
that.
stay home, baby. You know, McDonald's, yeah, I'm gonna need you to stay home. But
That's why as soon as they ask what you like to eat, I got expensive taste of food.
right. And if you don't have it, need you to skirt.
Right, to the left, to the right,
Skirt.
whichever way.
To the right.
To the right.
I didn't know either. I had to look at first. The hot sauce made it hot though.
Yeah, Kara beat me, y'all. I got this much left, but I'm done. I'm full actually, and they weren't that bad though. She finished hers.
No, you want a little slight one.
So she is the winner of the spicy noodle challenge. So thank you guys for watching. Videos will be up weekly. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.